Hey everyone, how are you? In this lecture, I will show you how to create your own mailing system very easily using Mailster WordPress plugin. So stay tuned and follow up. Okay, so what is Mailster? Simply, it's a WordPress plugin. You can install it and then you will have a full email marketing system inside your WordPress website. So you can have your own email marketing system without any recurring payments for any company. So let's see together how we can easily install Mailster and start your own mailing system. Here I am inside my WordPress website. Please, if you don't know how to install WordPress, refer to my lectures in the description below. You will find two awesome lectures show you how to install WordPress very easily on your own server. So here I am, we navigate to plugins and simply you click add new, then upload plugin. Now you may be wondering where I can get Mailster. Simply go to codecanyon.net. An awesome market space for WordPress plugins, themes, PHP scripts, whatever source codes and so on. You can see it costs $59 only for one time. It's an awesome system. I am not advertising this script, it's not for me, I don't have anything for this script, but I tested it in my own environment and it was awesome. I send thousands of emails every day using Mailster and my own SMTP server. So just buy the script and download it, then we go and choose the file. On my desktop here I have the script, here it is Mailster. You open Mailster 2.3 in my case and this is the zipped plugin file. Click install now and just wait for the plugin file to be uploaded. It's very simple and easy. So after the script is uploaded and activated, you will be here in this screen, the start wizard screen. You can go with the wizard or you can skip it if you want. Let's start the wizard to see what's there. You can set the from name. This name it will appear on the recipient inbox. This is the from address, your email that will be used to send emails. You can set a logo for your email newsletter. You can set a lot of things. You can have templates. You'll see in a little bit how awesome this plugin is. You can go with this next step. Let's go, and this is the sample newsletter when someone sign up to your form. And here you can set the delivery options, like setting which SMTP server you will be using, like is it Gmail, is it Amazon SES, is it Spark Post, Mailgun. You can see we have a lot of services. And what's nice, you can select your own SMTP. And by the way, if you want to learn how to build your own SMTP and send unlimited emails, you can check my courses in the description below. The awesome course which you will learn how to build your own SMTP very easily and send unlimited emails. Check the links if you are interested. So here it is, here is the SMTP options. Let's say use anything now. And here's the privacy. You can track the clicks, the open rates, you can track the location of the campaign, of the users. You can save the IP of the user and so on. And that's it. You can see it's very simple and easy. So here is newsletter. You can see this is the Mailster plugin. You can see we have all campaigns, we have autoresponders, we have subscribers, forms, lists, templates. We have everything needed to start your own email marketing system. If you want to have your own system without paying any recurring payments for any company, go with Mailster and go and build your own SMTP server and open the limits. No limits, send whatever you want, but be careful to prepare your environment properly. Please watch my video here on YouTube channel, how to build your own SMTP, and start today. So that's it. This is how easy it is. You can simply create a new campaign here, you can add your list, you can import from CSV files, from text files, whatever. It's really awesome. So it's enough for now. This is Mailster. This is how you can build your own marketing system inside WordPress very easily. Please, if you are interested, check my other video how to install MailWizz. Awesome PHP website and how to have your own advanced marketing system. Even you can start your own email marketing business with that system. We have customers, you can have payments, it have everything. So that's it about this lecture. Thank you for following. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like the video and to press on the bell for notifications. You can also view our other lectures. Thank you and see you in other videos.